You're gonna love the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, power steering. Feel light and nimble in the city-savvy Trax. Come in for a test drive today.